29 March to
Mhm.
1st April.
To
To
first
1st
April.
April. Yes,
So
because
how many days? 3 days. 3 days or what?
4 days,
4 days
40
only.
only.
Oh
Yes.
my God. Well,
Because currently I'm on site. When I'm on brand, we have
mhm.
how do you say it? Cuti bersama. Yes.
Okay. No, let's say
But
holiday together.
but yeah, but at site area there is no live together.
Holiday. Annual leave. So, but uh, let's say, do you have annual leave, bro? Annual leave means cuti tahunan.
Yes. My holiday allowance is 20 days of year.
20 days
Exclude
of the
yeah,
year.
exclude red exclude public
Red days.
holidays.
Public
Yeah,
holiday.
days and exclude Saturday and Sunday.
Okay. So usually when do you take it, bro? For holiday, 20 days.
Uh usually I'm take together with uh student holiday ya. when
Okay.
when my
It's
child.
free, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So that should be nice. New Year, I think that will be nice, bro, Marjoko. When
Yes.
New
in,
Year,
in the new year.
yes, New Year, the students also, they are free, yeah? So you can go holiday together with family. How many kids do you have, bro?
Yes. Sorry.
How many kids do you have?
Ah, three,
Three
three
kids.
child. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can say three children.
Three children. Yes.
Wow. So it must be happy, yeah, with that three kids. Okay. Crowded
Yeah.
and amazing.
Happy and busy, busy forever.
Yeah, that's true, bro. Well, thank you, bro Marjoko. Well, enjoy the job. Let me go to Sister Hasti. Hello, Sister Hasti. Are
Thank
you
you.
there?
Hello, bro.
Okay, how are you today, sister?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Doing great. I'm good, thanks. All right. So, what about you? What's your activity today, Sister Hasti?
Actually, I just stay at home because I have just resigned for about 6 months ago. So for now, I just looking for any job at home,
Yes,
and I improve uh, many skills like
skills, yeah.
speaking English, like
Mhm.
Excel and others.
And others. Do you take the course of Excel or just learn by yourself at home, sister?
Mhm. I just learned by YouTube, like out of free course in Udemy or Coursera that is free course, not that
Mm.
paid course.
Okay, so you learned that. That's amazing. Actually, that's something what I do for now, sister. It's my target, yeah. Learn how to do Excel well. Actually, I can do it, but in Excel, usually there are some codes, yeah. The codes is a very important one to manage our time. Okay, do the job easier. We should what is that? Be able to do it. And the second is math. I would like to take Excel math about that lessons.
Mm, okay,
It's
so
very
I wanna ask
important
you
for
something.
me. Mm-hmm.
I wanna ask you something. You are English tutor, right? So
Yeah.
I see in the YouTube advertisement there is one application or platforms to improve speaking in English. Name application name episode. You have tried it the application. Maybe it is like Omni TV like that.
Ome TV.
That the application called episode.
The name of the application is episode. Episode.
Episode, yes.
What
I wanna
is it?
ask you.
What is it?
It is
Oh,
like,
you asked me.
yeah, have to try the application. So I wanna try the application, but I
Oh,
afraid that is if I have the like a spam call or maybe like a spam advertisement in my email.
all right. So means episode is choose your story. Choose your story. Yeah.
Episode. It's like a
Yes.
paper. Yeah. And we can
It's
talk.
like story, right? It's a story, right?
Mm, wait, okay, I will check it. It is
So
like a platform that we can
yes.
talk with others globally, so we can improve. It is just for English
Mm-mm.
talking.
Okay, okay, okay.
If we have
All right.
tried it, I wanna ask you that it is safe
No,
or not. Mm,
I never try it, but it's okay. You can try it, Sister Hasti, because actually every application is good to practice. And but usually my friends they use Duolingo.
I
Mm.
don't know. But
Duolingo is
I
nice as
learned
well
with
too.
Duolingo too, but I think that Duolingo not that getting improved in my English, so it is like boring.
Uh, That's true.
For speaking
This is episode or episode then.
episode daily.
Oh, if episode then I never, but if I use last time episode. Episode is what is that episode? Episode choose your story. Is it? I think this is not for English. I think. Oh, sorry. I wasn't. I was wrong to share you guys.
Maybe it is a new platform to speak in English.
That's true. But for
The
something that I said last time, it was about love. I think
mm,
like comic. So not good
so
for
when
that.
I wanna join to the platform, I have to register
Mm-hmm.
there's email and mobile phone number
Yes.
phone. So I afraid that maybe the later will there are many spam call like that. So I afraid about it.
Usually for the application something like that,
Mm,
just ask for ID. It's safe.
um,
Yeah, it's safe.
what is
Don't
it?
worry. Yes,
Okay.
it's safe, inshallah.
Okay.
Because
Thank you, bro.
some
Mm,
of them usually always connect to email. Mhm.
mm, okay,
All
thank you, bro.
right, my pleasure. Well, everyone, we have Sister Hesti Bromarjoko, Sister Santi, Sister Putri Zakia Salsa, Bila, and Sister Anna, and Bro Rons. Yeah, I think Bro Rons is a master of math. Hello, Bro Rons, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Are you a master of math, bro?
Not exactly, but
You teach math?
I
Or
like math.
okay. Well, bro Rons, it's incredible one when somebody have a good one, have a good skill of math. I don't know why.
Thank you.
Usually, it's kind of like different skills, guys. Sometimes I think I couldn't have good score at math. Yes, just normal score, something like that. And I think I was so stupid at the time. I thought I was so stupid. But after I learn again, so I remember that everyone has a different ability of skills because knowledge, skills is art. Oke, pengetahuan, skill itu ternyata seni. Jadi nggak bisa dipaksakan ketika you bagusnya main bola disuruh jadi atlet renang. Okay, it's a difficult. That's what I learned, bro, Rons. Okay, I tried to learn music, bro. I tried to learn guitar. Oh my God, it's so hard for me. Difficult. Ya, just sometimes no have ability, tidak punya bakat ya dalam bidang itu. Dipaksakan juga nggak bisa ternyata. Ada orang yang seperti itu. So lucky when you have it. Well, so bro Rons and friends, welcome to our class today, guys. While waiting others, today our topic is about if I were. What is that? If I were. Here we go. So, bro Rons, do you like daydreaming, bro? Bro Rons, where are you? Hello, bro Rons, are you there?
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. So, do you like daydreaming?
Daydreaming. Sometimes. Uh, I'm I like dreaming about what the future we will be. I will
Okay.
be.
Yes. All
Uh,
right.
Sometimes I dreaming. When I will be a rich man. What
Right.
what should I do?
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
what about my family? And what about the future of my son?
Yeah.
And how to do uh, supaya tuh berarti apa tuh
In
supaya?
order, in
Hah?
order, in order.
In order my my son is being successful people like that.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
sometimes I daydreaming.
Oh,
Itu sama nggak? Daydreaming sama apa ya namanya? eh Mimpi atau apa bermimpi atau gimana? Kalau di Indonesia tuh
if
gimana?
daydream means menghayal. Kayak lo kayak bro melamun gitu. Menghayal melamun. It's daydream. But if a dream means you bermimpi, you sleep sometimes. You also not sleep, but you have a dream for future. It's called something like that. Daydream. Yeah,
Oke,
melamun.
oke.
I think everyone ever daydream here, yes, about future, what they will be, and everything they want to have in the future. They always dream about that. I do it, guys. So we are incoming. But the problem is how to express our feeling when we want to say something that we don't have now. Bagaimana sih cara mengatakan sesuatu yang nggak bro punya sekarang, tapi bro itu pengen mengalami sesegera mungkin. Maka itu harus melamun, kan biasanya kayak gitu. Look at these examples when they want to, when they have a dream. Mereka punya mimpi. Bro, Rons, Sister Sylvie and friends, ada nggak mimpi yang mustahil untuk dicapai?
eh
Impossible to get.
to be frank, uh, as a human, maybe we have uh dreaming it's not come true.
Oke.
As example, we will be a conglomerate maybe. That's
Mhm.
impossible.
All right.
But and we trust in God, nothing
Mhm.
impossible. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true, bro.
Okay, like that.
What about this one, bro? I I dreamed I want to be Superman. I want to be an angel. Is it impossible or possible?
That is impossible.
That's impossible. This is like you think, bro, Rons and friends. Kalau saya jadi kamu, saya akan ikut mereka main bola. Kalau saya jadi kamu, saya akan apa namanya? Saya akan ikut orang tuamu umroh. Itu kan bro, saya ingin menjadi bro Rons, kan impossible. Ya nggak?
Yes.
Oke. Nah, kalau mengatakan cita-cita yang possible, kita bisa menggunakan simple future. in the future I will be blah 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 because I want to be blah blah blah. So tomorrow I will go blah 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 because I want to blah blah blah. Itu hal yang possible. Bagaimana yang impossible? Coba perhatikan cara mereka berbicara dalam video ini. This kid. Here we go. Let's listen together.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
Boriski, we can hear. I think you have a problem with your connection.
Yes, in my screen is nge-freeze too.
Great. The video is freezing like also we cannot
Not for
Sorry guys, I think last time had the problems for the connections. I repeat.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
a rainbow because there hasn't been a night for weeks.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
A LOL doll, a makeup set. All the Barbie dolls, all the princesses.
I would wish for every Beyblade.
A new bike. New teddy. I wish I could play all the time.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
For a trampoline. A hoverboard. For an iPhone. Another book. Nintendo Switch.
An Xbox, but my mom and dad won't let me.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
Lots of candy. 30 cookies. I want them all to be chocolate chip. Popcorn. 1,000 cakes.
Money.
Money.
Money. Money to be rich.
$1 million.
$1
$100. Billions and billions of dollars. Get a Lamborghini.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
Oh.
Pokemon was real. To be a Pokemon, to be a mermaid.
All right. Do you understand what they said, guys? To be a Pokemon, Pokemon is real. Is it possible Pokemon to be real?
It's possible because Pokemon is a cartoon character.
Yes. It's a
Yeah,
fiction or imaginations only.
that cartoon when I was a kid.
All right. So this only imagination or let's say fiction movie and something like that. So guys, do you know why they use wish instead of hope? Teman-teman tahu nggak kenapa kok mereka menggunakan kata saya berharap, mereka menggunakan kata wish, bukan menggunakan kata hope? Anybody knows?
Because apa ya kayak belum apa sih kayak impossible to get maybe so that's why they use wish not hope.
All right. So let's refine the difference now. Look at this. The verse. When we want to say something, this is about hope, pengandaian. Okay. Sorry. Kita bahas bagian di sini dulu sebentar. Di sini ada kata hope sama wish. Apa sih perbedaannya antara hope sama wish? Maknanya sama-sama berharap. So when you wanna say saya berharap dalam bahasa Inggris, harapan itu kan ada yang possible, ada yang impossible. Kalau yang possible, teman-teman biasanya menggunakan kata I hope. Contoh, I hope I can meet you one day. Sister Sylvie, Bro Marjoko, I hope I can meet you one day. Suatu hari saya harap kita bisa bertemu. Guys,
Yeah.
I hope we can play together. Itu harapan yang bisa mungkin terjadi.
Yeah, it's
Oke.
possible to.
Yes. Atau teman-teman punya anak. Nah, I hope one day you will be the president of Indonesia. Itu harapan yang bisa mungkin terjadi. Well, sedangkan wish, karena cita-cita ya, cita-cita itu pasti bisa terjadi kalau kita mau berusaha. Tapi ada suatu harapan yang mana impossible untuk terjadi. Dia menggunakan kata wish. Contoh, I wish I could be a Pokemon. Itu nggak mungkin. I wish I could fly. Nggak mungkin. I wish I could be with you forever. Nggak mungkin juga sepertinya. Oke. So, apalagi yang dibilang gitu udah punya suami. Wah. Oke. So, impossible ya. Seperti itu. Nah, cuman di sini guys, penggunaan kata wish itu selalu menggunakan kata I could. Atau kalau hope I can. Teman-teman pernah nggak mengucapkan orang ulang tahun? Misalnya nih, Bro Askar ulang tahun, saya ucapkan, Bro, I wish you forever. Okay, I wish you healthy forever. I wish you luck forever, lucky forever. Itu kenapa kok menggunakan wish? Karena I wish you all the best, kayak gitu ya. I wish you all the best. Karena Bro Askar itu human being, manusia. Manusia itu nggak selamanya akan baik-baik saja. Tidak. Pasti akan mengalami yang namanya sakit, jatuh di bawah, kadang di atas, something like that. Makanya ucapannya itu I wish you all the best. Seperti. Kenapa kalau nggak I hope? Ya nggak mungkin. Manusia wish you all the best berarti kan bagus dalam segala hal. Oke, sehat terus. Oke, nggak mungkin. Oke. Manusia yang sehat terus cuma satu, Fir'aun. Seperti itu. So, you got what I mean, everyone? The difference between hope and wish here?
Yeah, I get it.
Ya, oke. Seperti itu. And then, what about if I were? If I were artinya jika aku bla bla bla, aku akan, I will bla bla bla. Strukturnya seperti ini. Simple past plus past future. Ini untuk pengandaian. Apa sih itu bro pengandaian? Pengandaian. Kata-kata pengandaian. Pengandaian itu adalah sesuatu yang berlawanan dengan saat ini. Itu namanya pengandaian. Contoh, jika aku menjadi orang kaya satu hari nanti, aku akan mengajakmu jalan-jalan. Itu kira-kira pengandaian bukan teman-teman?
Iya.
Itu pengandaian atau cita-cita sebenarnya?
Pengandaian ya. Seandainya
Itu
suatu saat.
pengandaian, yes. Ya, itu pengandaian. Tapi pengandaian itu bisa tercapai nggak kira-kira? Bisa
Bisa.
kan? Nah,
Ya.
bisa. Karena pengandaian itu ada yang bisa dicapai, ada yang juga tidak. Nah, kalau yang bisa dicapai, kalau yang yang bisa dicapai itu simple present ketemu dengan simple future. Contohnya kayak gini. Sorry. If plus simple present. Contoh seperti ini. Guys, if I go to Surabaya, okay, I will meet you. Nah, ini bisa ya. Nah, ini yang bisa tercapai. Sedangkan kalau yang tidak bisa tercapai, itu biasanya menggunakan if ketemu dengan simple past dan past future. Dan past future. Tadi gimana? If misalnya, if I could fly, yes. Okay, sorry. If I had wings, ya, I would fly with you. Ini kira-kira Bisa nggak ini tercapai, teman-teman? Jika saya punya sayap, saya akan terbang bersamamu.
Tidak bisa.
Tidak bisa kan? Nah, ini namanya adalah conditional sentence tipe 2, yaitu sebuah harapan yang nggak mungkin tercapai di masa sekarang. Tapi kalau yang ini itu conditional sentence tipe tipe 1. Dia bisa terjadi di waktu yang akan datang. Kalau nggak sekarang ya yang akan datang. Seperti itu. Nah, tambahan, oke. Di dalam CS tipe 2 kan simple past teman-teman ya, simple past. Jika simple pastnya itu adalah kalimat nominal, maka apapun subjeknya dia selalu menggunakan to be, were. To be, were. Contoh seperti ini. Oke, jika saya adalah kamu, saya akan Oke, sorry. Jika saya adalah Pak Prabowo, saya akan membunuh para koruptor. Berarti gimana? If I were
I will,
Mr.
Prob-
Prabowo, I would kill all,
Oh, the corruptor.
yes, oke, corruptors. Gini. Pakainya adalah if I were. Kalau di simple past normalnya apa? Kalau I ketemunya apa tuh-nya? Was kan?
Yeah.
Ya, she was kan? Tapi kalau you pakainya were. Ya enggak?
Yep.
Itu kalau normalnya simple past. Normalnya simple past seperti itu. Tapi di dalam sini, di conditional sentence tipe 2 ini, bagian sini yang kita bahas ini, dia apapun subjeknya, kalau menggunakan simple past yang nominal, maka teman-teman harus menggunakan to be, were. You were, we were, they were, she were, he were, I were. Seperti itu. Contoh, saya mengatakan tadi, pengandaian itu adalah sesuatu yang berlawanan dengan saat ini. If I were Mr. Prabowo, I will kill koruptor. Jika saya adalah Mr. Prabowo, saya akan membunuh semua koruptor. Faktanya apa faktanya? Berlawanan enggak? Faktanya adalah saya
Bukan presiden.
bukan
Karena
presiden Pak
Mr.
Prabowo.
Prabowo.
Jadi saya tidak akan membunuh para koruptor. So I will not kill all corruptors. Seperti itu. You get what I mean, everyone?
Yep.
Yes, I got it.
So this is when you want to say. Nah, contoh seperti ini. Kalau saya kasih contoh ke teman-teman. Misalnya ke siapa ini? Bro Haris. Halo Bro Haris. Are you there, Bro Haris? No voice. Or he is still doing something. Contoh ada pertanyaan seperti, Bro Reski, if you were Mr. Prabowo, what would you do? Bro Reski, kalau kamu Mr. Prabowo, kamu akan ngapain? Okay, if I were Mr. Prabowo, I will, I will kill all the corruptors like in China. And the second, I will give the best accommodations in every village in Indonesia, because that's a very important thing. And the second, I would improve all the facilities in every place in Indonesia, because that can make the people easy to get in facilities like going to a hospital, have good educations, and everything will be free. And also for the tax, yeah, the tax will be standard. Will not have a big tax, okay? Because that sometimes the tax is big, but the impact to the citizen or the society is not good. So I will fix again about rules of the tax, and of course I will change the law of the social law when somebody kills the criminal, because the criminals attack them, they will not get the police, get the jail if they have good witness and everything, like in America or in Europe. So the law and everything will be pro to the citizens, okay, not to the door, okay, pelaku. Okay, that's what I would like to do if I were Mr. Prabowo, if I were a president now. Itu contohnya. Itu hal-hal yang bisa kita gunakan. Coba nih, kalau saya mau translate. Jika kamu jika Anis di sini sekarang, saya akan bahagia. Ini kira-kira translate-nya apa kira-kira? Pakai yang if Anis were atau if Anis is here? Ya, ada yang bisa jawab?
If Anis
Coba ditranslate ini.
If Anis here,
is if Anis is here,
I would be happy. I will be happy. If Anis
were here. Pakai yang were berarti ya.
Kira-kira pakai yang mana?
Were.
Were.
Pakai
Kalau
yang were.
is kayaknya kurang.
Iya, karena terlalu memaksa, bro ya, terlalu
Iya.
memaksa sesuatu yang nggak mungkin terjadi sekarang
Yang
seperti
bukan
itu.
pasti ya.
Iya, betul. Ini salah. Yang benar if Anis were here now, I would be happy. Ya, kenapa kok nggak pakai itu? Ya karena satu lagi kembali lagi. Jadi pokok intinya kalau sesuatu itu terjadinya itu bisa di waktu sekarang maupun di waktu yang akan datang, maka gunakanlah if simple present, simple future seperti kalimat biasa teman-teman gunakan. Tapi kalau pengandaian itu kok sifatnya itu memaksa yang berlawanan dengan fakta di saat ini, nggak mungkin terjadi di waktu sekarang dan nggak mungkin terjadi di waktu yang akan datang, maka gunakanlah yang ini. Ini jawabannya. Something like that. Do you understand, everyone? Yes?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Now we use this for speaking. Improve it again. I will give the example. The example, Bro Rons, I give you time to answer this. But the question will be, Bro Ron, if you could be a stellar person in the world, what would you be? Kalau Bro bisa menjadi orang yang terkenal di Indonesia, di dunia, Bro akan menjadi siapa? Like what? Like Ronaldo, Messi, or what?
Maybe I want to be like Mr. Prabowo, but maybe uh, less less temperament.
Okay, yes, less temperament. We know, yeah, because Mr. Prabowo is a temperamental person because he is
Okay.
from military, yeah. Okay. And let's say, if you were Mr. Prabowo, what would you do? What would you do?
I'm sorry.
If you were him, what would you do? Jika bro adalah dia, bro mau ngapain? What would you do? Apa yang akan bro lakukan?
Maybe I would fix the
Pakai simple past ya, pakai simple past jawabannya.
oh pakai simple past ya.
Iya, kan lagi ngomong, lagi pura-pura jadi Mr. Prabowo.
Simple past berarti I uh,
I wanted to bla bla bla.
I won ya.
One verb duanya apa? Wanted. I wanted
want-
juga boleh.
I wanted to fix the apa ya namanya ya our economic and apa lagi maybe I want to be I want apa tuh menangkap catch
To catch.
and memiskinkan para koruptor itu. Memiskinkan tuh apa?
Okay. And make the corruptor
And make the corruptor
poorer.
purer.
Poor.
Oke.
Okay. Wow. So, saya lupa menjelaskan lagi tadi. Jadi teman-teman, ketika pertanyaannya adalah seputar imagination kayak tadi, maka teman-teman harus menggunakan simple past dan past future untuk menjawab pertanyaan tadi. Nggak menggunakan simple present karena teman-teman sedang berpura-pura, bro Rans, ya nggak? Oke, tidak menjadi
Oke,
orang
oke.
itu.
Mm-mm.
Tapi ketika bro menjelaskan, mendefinisikan tentang orangnya, bro boleh menggunakan simple present. Ini
Hmm.
combinations. Ini materi ini lumayan agak berat karena kita menggunakan simple past menjawabnya. Tapi to be-nya itu menggunakan were bukan was. Kalau simple past yang nominal ya, kalau yang verbal mah normal aja seperti biasa. Okay, I give the other questions. Anybody want to try, please? Who?
Yeah, I want to try, bro.
Sister Sylvie, if you could do everything, jika kamu bisa melakukan segala sesuatu in this country, what would you do and why?
Yeah, if I could be, how to say, how to say, oh my God.
The question,
If,
if you could do anything, jika sister bisa melakukan segala sesuatu in this country, what would you do? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan?
I want to increase, for the
I would.
first,
You can say I would.
I would increase the salary for teacher and then also for ini tenaga kesehatan, how to say it in English.
A medical person.
Yeah, I want to increase salary for teacher and then also medical pursue because in my opinion teacher and then medical pursue is most important for how to say like for citizens of our country because a teacher can make our new generation how to say like how to say, oh my God, can make our generation be smart people, and then also medical pursuit can be help us for increase our healthy, so something like that. That's all, Boris. Hello.
Cool. Oh yeah, teacher can. That's true. Okay, so and the second, what would you do again, sister? Yang kedua, kira-kira mau ngapain lagi?
What the question, bro?
Yeah,
Same
still the
question.
same. Still the same. And then the second, selain meningkatkan gaji guru dan para medis tadi, kira-kira mau ngapain lagi? What would you do?
Oh, I would how to say I would make my family to say I would to help my all family members like my parents and then also my big family like my uncle, my siblings, make them like money for make their how to say their life is good, and then they have like a stable how to say, they have a
Economic.
yeah, like how to say kayak penghasilan yang stabil. Oh my, I do.
Have a stable income.
Yeah, stabil income like that, bro.
Alright, thank you so much, Sylvie. Nah, teman-teman, tadi Sylvie ingin melakukan sesuatu. Ketika dia ingin, maka menggunakan I would, dan sebagainya. Tapi ketika menjelaskan tentang guru dan para medis tadi menggunakan simple present. Because they can make our generations to be smart people. Itu benar. Oke, itu nggak salah. Karena itu mendefinisikan tugasnya guru. Tapi ketika Sir Sylvia melakukan, maka harus menggunakan I would. Karena kan jika bisa seperti itu. Kalau bisa ngapain aja di negara ini. Faktanya kan tidak bisa. Kenapa? Karena semuanya ada regulasinya, ada yang mengontrol. Tidak bisa semau kita. Bisa di-tackle kita nanti ya, Sylvia. Oke. Ngelakuin yang bagus-bagus terus bisa diembat para koruptor. Next. Want to try again the next questions, please? Who is ready? Sister Putri, Bro Rozak, Bro Askar. Who will be next? Bro Haris, Sister Anna Tasya, Sister Santi, Sister Hasti, Bro Marjoko, are you ready? Come on. Today we have no breakout room, guys. I just want you to speak with past tense and use these lessons while I want to know about your progress of simple past. So tomorrow we will have the other one for speaking. Sister Putri? Hello, Sister Putri. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Sister Putri, let's say, are you a student or what?
I already graduate.
Okay, already graduated. So my question is, if you could, sorry, what's your dream?
To be a civil servant.
A civil servant. Okay. Let's say, Sister Putri, if you were a civil servant now, and then you had big power to change everything in this world, what would you do? Oh, sorry, to change everything in this country, what would you do? Jika kamu adalah seorang civil servant, terus punya kekuatan yang besar, bisa ngapain aja, bisa merubah apa aja di negara ini, what would you do? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan? Use simple past tense and conditional sentence tadi ya, please.
If I
If I were
civil servant now, maybe in my bidang itu apa?
in my field,
Yeah, I would mengurangi.
sorry,
Mengurangi apa?
in a decrease.
Yeah, decrease. I would decrease flood. I would decrease flood and make for drainage system better in every city.
Why would you do that?
Yeah, because I want to if I were civil servant at water resource sumber daya air, yeah,
Yes.
I wish I would make a drainage system better than now, because I think in a big city drainage system sometimes nggak baik apa.
It's not good.
Yeah, that's not good. So we have to improve yeah the
Yes, that's true.
quality.
The quality.
Yeah, quality.
All right. So that's something good. And then the second, what would you change again? Apa yang akan kamu rubah lagi yang kedua? What would you change?
Ini bebas.
Yes,
Or
free.
Oh.
Free everything.
Maybe if I were Mr. Prabowo like before, I would change or modify MBG.
MBG, yes.
Yeah, for maybe if he really want to menjalankan MBG and
to run
yeah, run
MBG.
the MBG system, and I think it should give to who really need, not at all, because so not too hard to realize it, not too merealisasikan.
Okay, to release.
Yeah, to release it.
Okay, to make it real. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
maybe.
Well, thank you so much for your opinion, sister. Well,
Okay.
so that's great, everyone. Next, who will be the next? Anybody want to try? Bro Askar, what about you? Sister Santi? Bro Rozak? Hello? Bro Haris, Sister Anna, Bro Marjoko, Sister Hasti? Yeah, come on, please. Don't worry. We use past 10.
Okay, Bro Rizky.
Okay. Bro Askar, what's your favorite animal, bro?
If I were Mr. Prabowo, I would.
Sorry. The question is, what's your favorite animal?
Oh, my favorite animal.
Yes.
I like cat, maybe.
Okay, you like cat. My
Yes, of
question
course.
now, ini pertanyaannya agak ngawur ya, cuman bisa teman-teman gunakan untuk improve bahasa Inggris juga. If you were a cat, what would you do? Jika bro adalah seekor kucing, apa yang akan kamu lakukan?
Duh.
Hmm.
If I were a cat, I will to do take naps every day.
You will take a nap every day?
Yes, of course.
Why?
Because cat is don't have work,
Doesn't
don't have go to anywhere.
don't need to go
Just take
anywhere.
naps.
All right.
Everything.
All right.
If
Then
I wake up, I just eat and go to toilet sometime.
and then last time you mentioned if you were Mr. Prabowo, what would you do?
If I were Mr. Prabowo, I will disperse to DPR.
Why? Say it again.
Because DPR is to make much money, and the job is not good for me, I think.
They don't have any job.
Sister Sylvie, what's that?
No, I mean, no, I agree with Bro Muhammad Askar. You know, DPR, how to say, they don't have any job. They have to say, like, oh my God, it's really funny to explain about DPR. I don't know what their job, and then they never, how to say, like, DPR is mean Dewan Perwakilan Rakyat, but they never pro with a citizen,
Yeah.
with citizen. I don't know. So that's why I agree with Bro Muhammad Askar.
Yes, thanks, Sister Sylvie. We have same pemikiran.
Okay. And what about the questions? If you were DPR, anggota DPR apa jadinya?
Yeah, what would you do?
What would you do? Itu bakal susah.
I think so hard question.
Okay. It's a bit hard question. If I were, yeah, if I were, that's the member of that system, everyone that civil servant in that job, I think I would do my best job for citizen, but I think I will not be longer in that job. Seriously, mungkin saya nggak akan lama kerja sebagai DPR. Why? Because people will kill me. People will take me down from that chair. I'm sure of that. I'm sure of that. That's why I will not be. Why? Because Indonesia, or not Indonesia, but people there, they limit smart people from Indonesia. They limit everyone come forward. Why? Because smart people, intelligence people, responsible people, when they come forward to be their part, so wow, this country will grow up better and better, and they will lose their job. That's why they limit us. Itu mereka membatasi kita. Kenapa kalau di Indonesia pendidikan gak maju-maju? Karena dibatasi, jangan sampai pinter banget. Oke. Kenapa? Ya karena nanti kalau pinter mereka bisa digulingkan. Nah, jadinya dibikin kisru seperti itu. Okay, and everything is always connect with each other. People say everything. Well, you are good. You are good for leading this country, guys. Indonesia has a system where the system always what's that limits you to come forward. Do you think Gus Dur is stupid, everyone? I think Gus Dur is one of the
Yeah.
most wise
Intelligent people,
president,
wise
intelligence
person.
president, and like Mr. Habibie as well in Indonesia. But how was how were them? Bagaimana how were they? Bagaimana mereka? Take down, right? Diturunkan kan?
Yeah, yeah.
That's
I
true.
her opinion.
Okay, that's why when some people choose Mr. Anis, when you choose Mr. Anis, you are true, guys. Mr. Anis is so smart. I know that. Okay. But you know, Mr. Anis doesn't have power. And of course, not rich. Mr. Anis itu tidak kaya, tidak punya power yang kuat. That's why he will be taken down by others. Dia pasti akan dijegal dengan yang lain. And Mr. Prabowo, I think smart, all right. Have a power, okay. And rich, of course. Then finally, what he got. Sama aja kan, kena jegal juga kan. So they have bad system. That's why smart people will not come forward. So you may think again about that, everyone. What I'm saying is true or not. But yeah, that's the responsible of us as a parents, make our children be smart and have a good living for future. And I think that's enough. Even sometimes we disagree about what they are doing, but hope everything will be different for one day.
If
Well,
I
so
if
Lawrence?
I were uh uh speaking partner owner,
Yes. What would you do?
I would uh apa ya? uh mengajak tuh apa?
Invite.
Invite the members who join with speaking partner to vacation, uh maksudnya jalan-jalan keluar kota sambil keluar negeri sambil belajar bahasa Inggris.
Okay, that's a possible. Okay, that's
Oke.
possible for one day. Okay, wait a minute. I have last time I said to you guys, kenapa saya mengatakan kok orang pintar dibatasi di Indonesia? My experience, pengalaman saya. I am as educational programmer. That's one of my job. Saya merangkai semua apa namanya pendidikan bahasa Inggris, bagaimana cara belajar bahasa Inggris dengan cepat, structure, contoh, kurikulum semuanya rapih dengan teman-teman saya dari tim Kamu Inggris yang ditugaskan di salah satu sekolah negeri. You know what happened? It's rejected, ditolak. Okay.
Why, Mister? Rejected?
Because I know.
The signal is bad, Mister.
Hmm. Wow, connection is bad.
Karena tidak standar negara Indonesia. It's different from the standard and curricula from the government. Tidak minta anak belajar bahasa. So sorry, because okay. So because can you hear my voice, guys?
I think we hate by someone
Okay. Yeah,
because
hmm?
because that when Bro Rizky tell the truth, the sign this the connection going to be bad.
Going to be bad. Yeah. Last time, Sister Santi, what I said, because the program doesn't match with their progress, not their progress, but their plan for future. Actually, what I said is something that flexible. Materinya itu sangat fleksibel. Terus saya curhat sama dosen saya. Wah, jelas, jelas, oke, proposal Anda ditolak. Karena proposal Anda itu tidak sesuai dengan kurikulum yang ada di negara. Oke, punyamu terlalu baik, sebenarnya terlalu baik katanya nggak bagus. Oke, karena apa? Karena ya tahu sendiri ada sesuatu di balik itu. Pemikiranmu itu gratis, tapi apa namanya bisa menghancurkan pemikiran orang di atas yang berbayar. Karena DPR itu ketika mereka punya pikiran disampaikan, mereka itu tetap dapat gaji
Yes.
pikiran, nah, gitu.
What
You get
the
what I mean?
contribute? What the
Nah,
contribute?
the contributions payment,
Ah,
like it's called.
okay.
Kontribusi mereka itu dibayar. Makanya ada istilah kata bayaran kontribusi. Nah, semakin banyak ngomong, meskipun proyeknya nggak jadi, tetap dibayar. Okay, but finally my project was taken by private school. Akhirnya sekolah apa namanya project saya itu diambil sama sekolahan swasta. Dan alhamdulillah sekarang sekolahan itu memiliki bilingual class dan juga English area. Every students they speak English.
Oh,
Alhamdulillah. Okay, even I'm not joining in that program. Meskipun saya nggak join di program itu lagi, because after that I got married ya, jadi saya nggak bisa keluar kota untuk menghandle itu. My friends do it. Yeah. That's why smart people is limit in Indonesia, is limited, dibatasi di negara kita.
Yeah,
That's
that's
your apa
I,
tadi?
I think
You make the copyright?
Oh no, I don't make copyright.
Oh.
Okay, it is just soft file for every school they have. Then I share them, I use them, then I use, then they pay. So they pay the project for me. I make it, and then we explain to them, oh, this is how to do it, blah 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 blah. Well done. Because before we teach the students, we teach the teacher first. Sebelum kita ngajarin anaknya, kita harus ngajarin guru. Bagaimana kalau anaknya bisa bahasa Inggris tapi gurunya nggak bisa? Masa gurunya ngomong pakai bahasa Indonesia sama anak-anaknya, kan nggak pas. Okay, teacher is a role model for the students. You get what I mean?
Yeah, I got it. I get it.
That's why it was my big project in my life to help education country.
Maybe you can apply your project to another country, bro, like Malaysia or something.
It was happening in Thailand.
Oh, I see.
Okay, my friends brought one of our project to there. Teman saya yang membawa. Oke, dan proyek saya itu diambil sama teman saya. Dia coba untuk membuat sebuah apa namanya esai buat apply beasiswa dan dia diterima.
Oh, I see. That's good. But he paid royalty for you?
Oh no, we don't take it because we work together. So semuanya boleh ngambil kesempatan dalam hal ini. Nanti tinggal kita rubah bagaimana yang sesuai dengan purpose tujuan masing-masing gitu. Tujuannya mau apa, English area. Tapi waktu itu teman saya dia nyasarnya ke Kementerian BUMN apa ya. Jadi ngajarin kementerian yang nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Oh, I see.
Dan itu tembus ternyata teman-teman. Oke. Tembus ternyata menteri-menteri banyak yang nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Oke. Dan ternyata jebol juga akhirnya pertahanan mereka mengakui
dapat materi tapi puas ya karena proyeknya Bro Reski bisa diterima gitu ya.
Ya, that's true. Tapi yang saya sayangkan tidak diterima di sekolah negeri. Oke, seperti itu.
Iya. Oh iya, you said only ini ya
Private
sekolah
school. Ya, only private school. Makanya sekarang zaman sekarang orang-orang lebih cenderung ke private school than public school. Public school in Indonesia, if they are good, they are too good. Di Indonesia itu kalau sekolah negeri, kalau bagus banget, tapi kalau jeleknya jatuh.
Iya,
It's
sekarang
not
guru
balanced, ya, tidak seimbang.
banyak pekerjaan, jadi gurunya nggak bisa fokus ke murid-muridnya.
Yeah,
Kayak mereka
that's true.
kan ini itu, jadi murid-murid itu, murid SMA sekarang itu nggak bisa perkali.
Yeah,
Oh, iya.
because actually their goals is the same, but I think the executor is not balanced. Eksekutornya nggak balance, tidak sesuai instruksi antara atas dengan bawahan. Jadinya ada sekolah yang bagus, ada juga yang enggak. Tapi kalau private they sell the quality. Of course, everything is good. If the quality is bad, the school will not have many students.
Yeah, you know, Bro Rizky, all of my children right now school at private school.
Private school, yeah. That's
Uh,
why I joined as private school too. Well,
yeah.
everyone, thank you. And tomorrow we talk about culture, yeah. I will share again for tomorrow's everyone will speak tomorrow about culture. Thanks for today, Sudah Sylvie, Bro
Oke,
Rons, and everyone.
thank you.
As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
Okay, see
Waalaikumsalam
you
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
guys.
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
See you guys.
Alright.
See you.